If your Canon printer is showing the B200 error, don't panic. The B200 error usually appears when your printer detects a problem with the printhead or ink cartridges. It can happen because of clogged printhead nozzles, bright ink buildup, faulty cartridges, poor electrical contact, or even a temporary printer malfunction. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you two simple methods to clear the Canon B200 error step by step. And yes, if you need help along the way, just dial in the numbers on your screen and our experts can guide you through it. Alright, let's start.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Clean the ink cartridge printhead with warm water. Open the front cover of your printer and wait until the ink cartridge moves to the replacement position. Press down gently on the cartridge until you hear a click, then release it. Carefully remove the cartridge. If your printer has multiple cartridges, repeat the same process for the other if needed. Fill a small bowl with warm water and place a clean, dry paper towel. Dip only the printhead of the cartridge into the warm water for about 10 seconds. Make sure the electronic contacts stay dry and do not go underwater. Remove the cartridge and gently drag the printhead straight across the paper towel. You should see the clear lines of blue, magenta, and yellow ink without any gaps. Reinstall the cartridge into its original slot until it clicks into place. Close the front cover and check whether the B200 error has disappeared. If the error is still there, don't worry, let's try one more method. Method 2. Perform a power reset. Make sure your printer is turned off. Press and hold power and stop buttons together for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the power button. When the indicator light starts flashing, press and hold the power button again. While continuing to hold the power button, release the stop button, then press the stop button 5 times and on the 6th press, hold it down. Keep holding both the power and stop buttons. The alarm light will blink orange. Continue holding for about 5 seconds, then release both buttons. Allow the printer a moment to restart. Then check if the B200 error has been cleared.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.